welcome back. As you can see, I'm on the driver's side now. Installed the new brakes on the passenger side last night, so I'm just going to do another video of taking this one completely apart, so we'll see this side new. Had some issues with the brakes, kind of fumbled with it, went back and read the book, and then kind of redid it just to do it their way, and it was 100% faster. So let's take off, see what's behind this wheel here. Roll this out of the way. Okay. It's about the same. The inside is still a lot of cobwebs. Cap off here. Pin bent. Oh, wasn't even bent over. It's just stuck in there. Oh, it's on pretty good. Hang on. You get a wrench to get that off. My jaws of life here. I've had these for about 30 years. There, that's all it needed. Okay. That off. Let's see. Oh, he's a little tougher. Get that off. I know it was spinning before I took this off. Took the wheel off. So something's got it bound up. There it comes. There it comes. Ah! Whew! That one was tighter than the last one. So, let's see what it looks like on the inside. One places doesn't look too bad, but I think I've decided I will get the drums turned. It's kind of might as well. I don't have the grease to redo the bearings right now. So when I get time for that, I get that there. So I should have got my can of brake cleaner while I was up. Clean this comes. Hold out on me. Oh, almost out. Trip to the store for that. All right. And then the book shows starting from the top to the bottom to release everything. It's the easiest way. There's that one. Set it to the side it came off of. Oh, does this not want to come off? Goes. Tap that side. All right. See, these are kind of worn as well. Got a little bit more thickness down here at the bottom part. But let's see, let's get this adjuster off. Now, get the wheel cylinder off. No. Remove the... Alright. That's broke free. Alright, I'm just going to pause the video here so I can clean a lot of this stuff up. See if I can find some more brake cleaner or something else before I put everything back together and get that line off. Okay, as you see, I've got it cleaned up. Look at all the trash that came up out of that. Let's see here. Let's see if we can start putting the wheel cylinder on. Get the washer. And it's a little easier to do it this way and just push it through. And this one takes 5/8 to tighten it up. Snug it here and I'll tighten it more when it's in. Right. I had a little issue getting the other one in yesterday. It just has to, there it goes. Tap it in just a little bit. See, I got my my parts washer here. It works. It's an old pot laying around. The benefits of living in an old house, stuff's left behind. Go. All right. Now, short side goes to the front. I did notice last night, comparing the original short side with the new one, the new one's just a little bit longer. The original one had a groove in it. There wasn't a groove on the back side. So I guess just, you know, changes over time in manufacturing. So, the easiest way to do this, put the spring in the bottom, get the adjuster in there, adjusted it all the way in. I can redo it from the back side there. It does have a port there. So, alright, got these on. Alright, stay. Springs back on. Where's my tool? Okay, there we go. Side. All right, those are on. It's up top. Let's see, the front one goes first. Right. we go. Got the brakes done. I think what I'm going to do, I did on the other side, I put the cap that was in the wheel cylinder into here. Just kind of fit it in there. Keep anything from coming in because I still don't have the hard lines in yet. I don't think they've even been shipped. They've been ordered, but they haven't been shipped yet. So I have to wait before connecting these back up. So I'll just leave it out. And I got my clip here. Brush that off a little bit. Probably should invest in some new clips here, or just take these and sandblast them, shoot another thing of paint on them. Try to keep as much original stuff as possible. Oh, bunch of crud fell off there. All right, and there we go. Let me put the drum back on. Like I said, I'll probably later time this month I'll take the front drums, get them turned, repack the bearings, and then they should be good to go after that. Yeah, it's definitely going to need adjusting. The wheel is really loose. I think when I read in the book on this nut here, you tighten it to 33 foot-pounds, and then you back it off so many turns to get it to line up, and that's the proper way to do this. But like I said, I'm not going to do that yet because I'm not quite ready. Man, this one's really hard to get back on. A couple of times of taking it on and off, it'll get it freed up here. Okay, that's going to be good enough to hold everything into place. Doesn't want to go in there too smoothly. Disregard. Okay, I wonder if the channel's messed up. It's not bent. Probably need a new pin for that. Clearance for that. All right, there we go on that. I think I might pull the creeper out and see if I take a look at the master cylinder. I know it's seized up. It is the brake pedal will not move. So I take it out and either replacement's $200 some, rebuilt kit's $20 some or something like that. So take it out, give it a good inspection, see if it's really bad. Probably going to end up replacing it because sometimes just redoing them, I just don't trust it redoing them. But still, we'll take a look and see. Oh, did y'all notice that? I didn't put these in. All right, good thing about having the correct tools to do the right job is I got those put back on like 2 minutes. So I have found out it's easier to align the drum up when you take this back off because it seems to stick, and then put it in the hub. The book mentioned something about a piece of felt or something. I read it somewhere, but I have never seen a piece of felt in here. So I don't know if that was a different model or somebody changed brakes and left it out, if something's supposed to go in there. I have no idea. Let me see if I can clear this a little bit. Maybe that'll help it go on a little easier. Oh yeah, that helps out. It's a lot better. Clean those threads off. I'll probably need to clean them further once I next go around. definitely needs to adjust those brakes. No drag on it. But I'll get to that later because it's not ready for anything else yet, but just still sitting, hanging around in here. But thanks for watching. I'll do a separate video on the master cylinder. Depends on how long it takes me to get it out. Might get it out today, might decide to do it another day. Well, thanks for watching.